For today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to set custom prices on Square. First, you're going to go over to the Actions tab and click on it. Now, you're going to go down to Custom Amount. Set your custom amount in the keypad, and then click the checkbox. Now, you're going to go click and hold on Custom Amount, and then go to Modify. Now you're going to add your item note, which is anything that you need to put for the item that you just made a custom amount for. Now you're going to click Done and click Save Changes. After that, you're going to do what you normally do, which is send it, but now we're going to remove it. So you click and drag to the left to remove. That's it for today's tutorial.